Howdy everyone, this is Data Coach Alex, and welcome to Alteryx 2-Minute Tools. Today, we're going to be talking about the polybuild tool. Simply put, you use the polybuild tool to create lines or shapes from points. To start, let's talk about our goal. We want to create a line on a map that connects London, England with Lisbon, Portugal. Our starting data set has city and the corresponding latitude and longitude as decimal values. We use the Create Points tool to turn the latitude and longitude values into centroid points. If you are unsure how to do this, watch our 2-minute tool video on the Create Points tool. We can see on this map that we have 2 points, one on London and one on Lisbon. We want to draw a line on a map that connects the two. I'm going to add a polybuild tool from the Spatial Tool menu. On the Build method on the configuration, select Sequence Polyline. You may select different options here if you want to build different types of shapes. On Source field, make sure the centroid city points is your input field. You can also set the group field and sequence fields here. We don't need to do them here, but the group field is for creating multiple lines. The sequence field is for when you want to have more than 2 points on the same lines connected. Run your workflow. Let's take a look at our map on our Browse tool. We can now see a nice straight line connecting London and Lisbon. As always, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Data Coach channel for more awesome lessons on Alteryx and all things data, analytics, and visualizations. Follow Data Coach on Twitter at AskTessellation and follow me personally on Twitter at Abracadata89. Thanks again.